Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to do a little bit of journaling in my A6 Hobonichi Techo homemade avec version. This is the last half of the year and I'm having so much fun in my journal right now, just doing so many different things, and I'm glad if you guys are getting ideas and feeling inspired. It's just fun to play around and not worry about it. So let's do that. As you can see, my desk is an absolute disaster of things that I had out to use, but I used this little piece of collage that I had cut out a long time ago of like a little map and just glued it in the corner because Michael took Henry's Boy Scout troop den, it's not a troop I guess, out hiking on Monday to work on one of their outdoor adventures or whatever, and they went to the Arboretum and they had so much fun. So I used the little map and then some of the stickers from that American Crafts season booklet. I'll link it down below, but I'm loving these stickers. They're really cute. So some trees and a little mushroom, just kind of nature-y things. I think they were like cataloging ferns and footprints and stuff like that, but I know the boys had a lot of fun. So I put this little sticker in, also from that American Crafts booklet, and then some of these little bear seal stickers that you saw in my Happy Meal. So cute. And then those enamel like little monster. There was one that was like camping with like a bug net kind of, and so I put that in there because it was just perfect. So cute. And then I'm just journaling on that sticker. I like to use stickers to kind of break up the space on the page if I have different things to write about. So that's one thing I like to do. And then I just put one of my little coffee dudes up there, and I was writing about, just went to have coffee with my parents on Monday because I worked all weekend last weekend. So it's kind of like a recovery time. And then one of those super cute little cat stickers. And then you know how I like to do my Mildliner hearts. It's just, at this point, it's kind of like my trademark. I just love it. And it's sort of a way to fill up empty space too. I put that little piece of collage from a Real Simple of like a woman with a coffee cup because I had to work that afternoon, so I put that in there. And then I just decided to throw in some of my washi tapes. I get them from all over the place, but I think this one was from a tube at Michael's, probably Recollections brand, or I don't think it was Tim Holtz, probably Recollections. And then I printed off some Sprocket photos ahead of time, and I got one of Fatty and Skinny laying in the chair in my husband's office. They like to sleep there. And I think October is Black Cat Awareness Month. So, and then I flipped to Thursday. I put in a little sticker flake of the little umbrella because it was raining cats and dogs on Thursday. And then this little piece of collage, it's like a cloud with a bunch of letters pouring out of it. And it just reminded me of like October, I believe, is also Mental Health Awareness Month, and I found a new therapist and I went to see her on Thursday, and I just am reminded of how helpful it is just to have somebody to kind of just run your thoughts by. It's kind of like car maintenance. You don't wait until your car's broken down. You go and have the oil changed to maintain it and stuff. So I feel like that's kind of like therapy. Just kind of help your thought patterns and have somebody that's just a good, listener, and it can just help so much. So there's no shame in that. So I also got a little piece of Happy Mail from Shine Sticker Studio, so I cut that out. And there's my kids at the trunk or treat. Oh, they're so cute. And that bat was from the Hey Pumpkin die cuts ephemera pack that I got in a Happy Mail. And then the little stars as well. And then I stuck in a bunch of like little Halloween-y stickers and stuff like that, and a little label where I wrote NICU trunk or treat, because it was for my work. So a lot of my coworkers were there, and it's just really fun. We bring all of our kids, and they're all in their costumes, and they play at the park, and we have like a soup and chili cookout and stuff. So I'm also using that sticker book again, the American Crafts one, just putting some candy corns in. And I spilled glue everywhere, so I had to wipe it up. I'm a disaster. And then that little spider sticker, so cute. I'm feeling everything Halloween this year. I don't know why. And then the little leaves, because the leaves are definitely changing. Today it is 43 degrees and windy. I am not quite prepared for this sort of chilliness. And then just adding some orange hearts, because why not? And then on Tuesday, I put a little Garanian stamp sticker for with a heart on it, because that's the day I think I posted my giveaway with my mom's wonderful hand knitted stuff. And you guys are so sweet and have left the sweetest comments, and I can't wait to draw 3 winners for that. So check out the last video if you haven't gotten involved in that. And then I put a little sticker. Those are from other American Crafts old booklets. And I took a picture with my Sprocket of the linen closet in my kids' bathroom that I organized. Oh, it's a beautiful sight. It was a beautiful sight. I used a lot of the leftover bins that were in the playroom that were now empty. I labeled everything. Oh my gosh, it makes my heart sing right now. And then some more stickers from, I think this was the American Crafts and Paige Evans set maybe. And I just put that I did the linen closet. Made me so happy. And then this little Band-Aid picture, because it was going through a lot of like first aid stuff and medicines and that were expired by like 7 years. So throwing away a lot of things and just organizing things into different bins and stuff like that. I don't know why I've been so into that lately, but I totally have. And then the pig and cat stickers, they have these little washi pieces of those little trees I thought were adorable. And then I just put a heart by Fatty and Skinny, my boys. And then I was kind of flipping back and forth between all my pages, but I found some awesome like mental health type quotes on Pinterest, and I really liked this one. It's about growth. Like, you're not born a butterfly. Growth is a process, and I think it's important to remember that, because it's not about the destination, it's about the journey, right? And then I was just recording that I talked to her and we really hit it off. And if you do try a therapist and you don't hit it off, like you don't feel like you click with that person, don't go back to that person. It's nothing personal. It's an important relationship. So if you don't feel comfortable, then find somebody else. This little person was something that my daughter drew me, and I just loved it, so I taped it in. It's like a girl with a unicorn horn. And then another thing that I found on Pinterest that I really loved was this saying, and I think it said, "Just a masterpiece trying to masterpiece." And I loved that. That struck such a chord with me, because I think that we're all perfect the way we are. We're just trying to master feeling peaceful, feeling that way, and embracing, everything that we are and life. And well, that got deep. So I liked that. We're all masterpieces, just trying to master peace. So I used my little letters from an American Crafts booklet to spell that out on the back. And then I used some of the flowers in the American Crafts sticker book. I'll link all those below, but those were Tuesday morning finds, and I just thought they were so pretty and cheerful. So we're all unicorns in our own right. We just have to master our powers. Use them for good and not evil. And I'm just adding more flowers, and that's pretty much the journaling for today. And I'm really happy with it. Like I said, just a lot of fun. Stickers, collage, Sprocket photos. It's all just kind of a memory keeping hodgepodge, and it's basically my favorite thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so happy you're here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and tell me if you're getting into journaling lately, and I hope you're having fun. Bye.